In this video, we will be unboxing and setting up the new ThinkSmart Cam. The ThinkSmart Cam is an enterprise-grade AI-based smart camera designed with collaboration conference video in mind, ideal for home offices and huddle rooms, as well as medium and large conference rooms. The ThinkSmart Cam comes with a wide-angle lens capable of up to 4K resolution and high dynamic range. The device is Microsoft Teams and Zoom Room certified and also includes AI features such as auto zoom, auto framing, speaker tracking, and more. In the box, you will find a ThinkSmart Cam, USB cable, wall, and TV mount bracket components. The camera can be mounted in 3 ways. You can clip on the camera to most TVs and monitors. You can assemble the bracket to mount to a wall or TV. Or if you have a ThinkSmart bar or bar XL, you can attach the camera to the bar via a built-in magnet. Once the camera is mounted, you can connect it to any ThinkSmart compute device or a laptop or desktop running Windows 10 with the USB cable. Once plugged in, the device is ready to go as is, and its AI features can be configured on or off. People using the device on compute devices like the ThinkSmart Hub can configure the camera through ThinkSmart Manager. If you are using the device on a PC, you can configure the device with an app available to download through the Lenovo support site. If you want to learn more about the ThinkSmart Cam, go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.